Hello, guys, everyone. I just want to share a proposal I use on Upwork. This is my proposal. I had a I had a look at a job. I'm a SEO, so I do link building. So I can help you with this. This is my JSS. This is the link building I do. These are the tools I use. These are my certifications. These are my charges. These are the links I have built, etc. And this is about me. 20 projects, Instagram, Zoom ID, Varun Kumar, India. So because of this, I got hired here. You can see hired. So and I have 100% GSS. Earlier my GSS was very less, but अब ज़्यादा हो गया है. So you can try and be successful. I've made 8,000. I'm crossing 8,000 USD, but in 2 years time, my GSS got down. So I was working for some companies also. That's why. See, I made $5,000 in this one. 1,000 here from the same client. Earlier, my earning was very low 100, 300, 600, 300, etc. This is my portfolio, the catalogs I use, these are my certifications, this is my education that I'm manager here. In 2020, I started my agency. So, guys, please subscribe and I appreciate if you subscribe my channel. This will be my channel, Varunk Riat. And I will upload the next video and put the proposal link in here.
Hello guys, welcome to my
Proposal
vlog.
link in here.
This is Varun Kumar. I'm in Kasoli. Making